ThinkBot. Jia. Jia, hi, ThinkBot. I'm really interested in technology. Can we talk about the advancement and usability of technology? ThinkBot. Absolutely. I'd love to talk about that with you. Technology has come a long way and continues to evolve at a rapid pace. Jia. Well, I'm amazed at how much technology has changed over the years. What are some recent advancements that you find particularly fascinating? ThinkBot. You're absolutely right. The pace of technological advancement is indeed incredible. One recent advancement that has been gaining a lot of attention is artificial intelligence, AI. AI enables machines to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as recognizing images, understanding natural language, and even driving autonomous vehicles. Jia, that sounds really cool. How is AI being used in everyday life? ThinkBot. AI is being integrated into various aspects of our lives. For example, virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa utilize AI to understand and respond to our voice commands. AI is also used in recommendation systems that suggest movies, music or products based on our preferences. Jia, that's amazing. How about the usability of technology? Sometimes it can be confusing or difficult to use certain devices or software. Are there any advancements in usability that are making technology more user-friendly? ThinkBot. Definitely. Usability is an important aspect of technology, and many advancements have been made to make it more user-friendly. One significant improvement is the development of intuitive user interfaces that are easier to navigate, with clear icons, simpler menus, and user-friendly gestures. Jia, that's great to hear. I often find it frustrating when technology is hard to use. Are there any other advancements in usability that you find interesting? ThinkBot. Another interesting advancement in usability is the integration of voice and gesture controls. Gesture controls, like swiping or tapping, are also being implemented to make devices more intuitive, especially in touchscreen devices. Jia, wow, those advancements sound really helpful. It's exciting to think about how much easier technology could become to use in the future. Overall, it's fascinating to see how technology keeps advancing and becoming more user-friendly. Overall, it's fascinating to see how technology keeps advancing and becoming more user-friendly. Thanks for talking about this with me. ThinkBot. You're welcome. It was my pleasure. Technology, then and now. From the earliest stone tools to the latest advances in artificial intelligence, robotics, blockchains, and virtual reality, technology has continuously transformed our lives. It has undergone tremendous transformations over the years, shaping the way we live, work, and communicate. Then, early computers. In the past, computers were massive machines. They were limited in processing power and storage capacity compared to today's devices. Limited connectivity. Communication was predominantly done through landline telephones, fax machines, and postal mail. Access to information was limited to physical libraries or encyclopedias. Analog media. Entertainment and information were primarily delivered through analog media such as vinyl records, cassette tapes, VHS tapes, and printed materials like newspapers and magazines. Traditional TV and radio, television and radio broadcasts were the primary sources of entertainment and news, with limited channels and programming options. Basic cell phones, mobile phones were bulky, had limited functionality, and were mainly used for voice calls and text messaging. Manual processes. Many tasks required manual labor, from writing letters by hand to performing complex calculations using pen and paper or calculators. Now, powerful and portable devices. Today's technology has brought us powerful and compact devices like smartphones, tablets, and laptops that fit in our pockets or bags, offering vast processing power, storage, and connectivity options. Seamless connectivity. The internet and wireless technologies have revolutionized communication. Digital media, music, movies, books, and news are readily accessible through streaming services, e-books, online publications, and digital platforms. Streaming and on-demand entertainment. Streaming services provide on-demand access to a vast array of entertainment content, giving users greater control over what, when, and how they consume media. Smart devices and home automation. Internet of Things, IoT devices, such as smart speakers, thermostats, and home security systems, allow for seamless automation and control of various aspects of our homes and lives. Advanced mobile technology. Modern smartphones offer high-speed internet access, advanced cameras, mobile apps, and countless features that enable us to stay connected, productive, and entertained on the go. Automation and artificial intelligence. Automation and AI are transforming industries, with machines performing complex tasks, from self-driving cars to intelligent virtual assistants like Siri or Alexa. Digitization and cloud storage. Paperless systems, digital documents, and cloud storage have streamlined information management and collaboration, reducing the need for physical paperwork and enabling remote work. Technology has advanced exponentially, becoming more integrated into our daily lives, enabling new possibilities and transforming various sectors. The pace of innovation continues to accelerate, promising exciting developments and opportunities for the future. Fact File. The first IoT device was a soda machine at Carnegie Mellon, which led to the development of the first widely used IoT device, ATMs. IoT involves so much data that it is measured in zettabytes. What is human-machine interaction? Human-machine interface, HMI, is a term you may have heard before, but what does it mean? It is defined as how humans interact with electronic devices. In simpler terms, it's the way we control and monitor machines. HMI is all about how people and automated systems interact and communicate with each other. That has long ceased to be confined to just traditional machines in industry, and now also relates to computers, digital systems, or devices for the Internet of Things, IoT. HMI components. As we continue to rely more and more on technology, they will become increasingly important and fascinating tools for interacting with the world around us. A human-machine interface aims to provide an intuitive, easy-to-use, and efficient platform for performing its intended function. Depending on the application, this may involve simple display screens or more complex control panels with multiple displays, dedicated keyboards, trackballs, touchscreen panels, etc. Both hardware and software are the main components of the human-machine interface. Hardware includes touch screen, communication ports, display, keyboard. Software includes runtime, development. HMI and its levels. The interaction between a person and a computer system involves 4 different stages of activities. Intention is defined as the internal, mental characterization of the desired goal. Intention is the internal specification of action responsible for the initiation and guidance of the resulting activity. Selection is the stage of translating the intention into one of the actions possible at the moment. Execution involves the physical act of entering information into the computer. Evaluation, the results of the actions need evaluation, and that evaluation is used to direct further activity. Thus, The full cycle of stages for a given interaction involves forming the intention, selecting an action, executing the action, evaluating the outcome. How does human-machine interaction work? There are different types of human-machine interactions that offer various ways for users to communicate and engage with technology, catering to different preferences, abilities, and contexts. Different types of human-machine interactions. Command Line Interface, CLI, interaction through text-based commands and prompts. Graphical User Interface, GUI interaction through visual elements like icons, menus and windows, using a mouse or touch input. Natural Language Processing, NLP, interaction through spoken or written language, where machines understand and respond to human commands or queries. Touch and gesture-based interaction, interaction through touch screens or touch-sensitive surfaces, using gestures like tapping, swiping or pinching. Augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR interaction in immersive virtual or augmented environments, often using specialized devices or headsets. Internet of Things, IoT interaction, interaction with everyday objects and devices connected to the Internet, allowing control, monitoring, and automation. Brain-computer interface, BCI interaction using signals from the human brain, enabling direct communication with machines without physical input. Haptic interaction, interaction involving tactile feedback, such as vibrations or force feedback, to simulate touch and enhance the user experience. Cognitive interaction, interaction where machines understand, anticipate, and respond to human needs and behavior using artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms. Human-machine interaction has come a long way, evolving from text-based interfaces to intuitive, multimodal interactions. As technology continues to advance, the focus remains on creating seamless, user-friendly experiences that enhance productivity, accessibility, and overall satisfaction. Uses of human-machine interface. Here we are listing its most common uses. It communicates with input sensors, output sensors and programmable logic controllers, PLCs. Monitors and controls machinery like starting and stopping machines and performs sophisticated operations. Allows operators to see data in graphs and charts through digital dashboards. Allows operators to view and manage alarms. Eliminates manual recording of mechanical processes by allowing PLCs to provide real-time data to display. It helps to decrease human errors. It helps to reduce machine downtime and increase accuracy by enabling operators to control machines. It enhances communication between manufacturing processes and between machines and men. Advantages and disadvantages of HMI. Advantages. Good coordination between the operator and machine helps to monitor and control the system. Operators can easily access the updates of input information and increased capacity. Operators have access to emergency stop buttons and other safety uses. As a result of improved accuracy and quality control, an operator can easily input and monitor the data. The interface can be changed to fit the operator's needs of what he wants to do. This makes the system more flexible and easier to use. Disadvantages. Expensive to install and maintain. The interface can be difficult without operation skills. Scalability is limited, which means the system might be unable to work with new changes or upgrades. Compatibility may also be limited, which means it will only work with certain machines or systems. The interface may not always work because of limited reliability, which can cause problems. It may face some security issues. It can also be easier for hackers to get into if HMI is not secure. Futuristic HMI. Human-machine interface, HMI, has many possibilities and is already in our daily lives. From smartphones to robotic arms, the ability to communicate with machines is transforming our lives. As more sensors become available, the human-machine interface will become more natural. The growth of the human-machine interface market will drive the adoption of AI technology. The use of intelligent systems in manufacturing plants has several benefits, including increased profitability and productivity, as well as reduced costs. New technologies in HMIs will allow machines to communicate with humans and will improve accuracy, safety, and problem-solving time. AI will soon be able to interact with human emotion, creating a new kind of symbiotic relationship between humans and machines. The differences between humans and machines will become almost indistinguishable. Humans are inherently social creatures, and AI will enhance that relationship. The latest development in human-machine interface, HMI, technology is an exciting way to bring humans and machines closer together. The way modern human-machine interface will change the world is with remote control. We'll be able to control machines from afar through virtual, augmented or mixed reality. The technology will make the world more accessible and make it possible for people to use more of these devices. As a result, the potential benefits of human-machine interfaces are enormous. These tools will allow people to communicate with machines without relying on their brains. It will also make it easier to learn and may even enhance human skills. The next decade will see a radical transformation in the way we interact with computers. In the next 5 to 10 years, we will have the ability to control objects and people with our thoughts. Vocabulary. 1. Gesture. A way of combining pointing device or finger movements and clicks that the software recognizes as a specific computer event and responds to accordingly. 2. Blockchains. A method of recording information that makes it impossible or difficult for the system to be changed, hacked, or manipulated. 3. Analog. A system in which an electrical value, such as voltage or current, represents something in the physical world. 4. Streaming services. An online provider of entertainment, music, movies, etc., that delivers the content via an internet connection to the subscriber's computer, TV or mobile device. 5. Internet of Things. The Internet of Things, IoT, describes the network of physical objects, things, that are embedded with sensors, software, and other technologies for the purpose of connecting and exchanging data with other devices and systems over the Internet. 6. Cloud storage. Cloud storage is a model of computer data storage in which the digital data is stored in logical pools, said to be on the cloud. 7. CLI. A command line interface, CLI, is a text-based user interface, UI, used to run programs, manage computer files, and interact with the computer. 8. NLP, Natural Language Processing, is an interdisciplinary subfield of linguistics, computer science, and artificial intelligence concerned with the interactions between computers and human language, in particular how to program computers to process and analyze large amounts of natural language data. 9. AR, Augmented reality is an interactive experience that combines the real world and computer-generated content. 10. Cognitive, of, relating to, being, or involving conscious intellectual activity, such as thinking, reasoning, or remembering. Let's wind up. Technology has advanced exponentially, becoming more integrated into our daily lives. Command line interface, CLI, interact through text-based commands and prompts. Touch and gesture-based interaction, interaction through touchscreens or touch-sensitive surfaces, using gestures like tapping, swiping, or pinching. The full cycle of stages for a given interaction involves forming the intention, selecting an action, executing the action, evaluating the outcome. HMI communicates with input and output sensors and programmable logic controllers, PLCs. HMI enhances communication between manufacturing processes and between machines and men. New technologies in HMIs will allow machines to communicate with humans and will improve accuracy, safety and problem-solving time.